What's happening, everybody? Got our coffee. Gonna go over real quick today how to do Joomla installs. Now, this is also one of those, like most CMSs, it's gotten pretty easy over the years to do installs and updates and upgrades. So basically, what we see here is that as we've logged into our dashboard, we have these red warnings that are basically saying we have 3 extension updates available for different plugins and extensions that we're using on the website. And then it's also telling us that we actually have a core version of Joomla available. So what I say normally is just to do the extension updates and then go into the core. Because after the core, if there are more extension updates, they'll usually prompt you to do so. So why don't we just click on this view updates real quick. Um, So once we get to the view updates page, what we see here are the 3 warnings we had. So this is a slider type menu or display. This is a framework, and this is a contact form. So why don't we just start here with this, and we just click it and go update. It's literally that simple. Um, the second part of what this is telling us here is obviously the name of the component, the location of it, where it's at. So if it's a module, if it's a package, this internet's going real slow. So that one's done. The install of what version it is to where it's going. The install type, obviously these are all updates, and then where we can find these files also. So if we did have any issue with the update, we're always able to go to the extensions location and update the plugin component extension manually. So once you see that this is basically telling us that update package was successful, before updating, ensure that your update is compatible with the latest Joomla. So like I said, that's why we've installed the extensions first. We're just clicking the update. As you can see, this final one is updating right now. Then we'll go back real quick and we'll update the actual core Joomla. And again, this is just kind of taking a little bit because it's actually taking the files and uploading them externally through the internet, which is actually a huge time saver. Back in the day, you used to do this manually through FTP or through well, I guess FTP was usually the easiest way to do it. So as we see, all updates are successfully done. There's nothing left. Let's go back to our dashboard of our Joomla, where we'll see what warnings are left. And I guess I should obviously update our PHP. This is just a site that's been sitting on the server I haven't used. It's probably why it needs updates. So now we'll go here to the Joomla 3.9 is available, which actually just came out I think a day or two ago. So this will be nice to get this up to the most recent. Its current version is 3.813. The latest what's about to update to is 3.9, and a little bit more where we can download the file and some information about it. What we'll do is click this. Now this install actually takes just a little bit longer than most extensions, and the reason for that is that it's updating the whole core Joomla CMS. And what we'll see here is basically it's going to take us through the installation process. Maybe I can speed this up. What we're going to see here is that all these notifications have gone. There's a few new post installation messages that might have shown up. And basically this is because the new Joomla just might have some features or updates or securities or I don't know. But basic guys, as you can see, Joomla is up to date.